Welcome back to Tugger TV. You know it's your boy Popeye, and I'm representing for Dangerous Live, people. If you not watch right now, you see who no subscribe now. You see who subscribe, share it, and who no subscribe, share it too. We want 1 million views for that show, yeah. And remember, we have whole heap of come right now. Right now, as we speak, as this job, we still a shoot same way. Continue share. The more share, the more energy we have to push. But the more or less share, we can't push it. But push it, man. Share it so we can work. Yeah. You still there? It should start. No worry. See you now. Bye-bye.
Yeah, have to come with me actually.
What do you mean? Me not listen now. Take me from my yard and can't come up here. I don't really trust you. So me I come with you. Is that a problem?
But me I don't see something I buy if you go
no, come, no want come.
No, everywhere me I go you have to do that.
Me I go be a tail.
I'm tell you
if I work here I go, I will be there. If I church here I go, we praise God together. If you're going on a mission, we'll fix it together. Come on. We're going together. You should have made me stay at me yard.
When you go somewhere, me now fight.
Come here, me one big man.
The fish reason me trust you. You just trust me alone go and shop and come back.
No. You trust me, me never tell if you trust me. That's for your business. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Can I beg your call? No, come mother.
You don't have credit?
No, I'm not none.
You sure you don't have credit for your phone?
I'm mother, but one call.
$20, man. You don't stay too long. No man, stay too long, you know. Just call and tell him to call her back.
Alright, me not get time. But nice doing business with you.
What do you mean by business?
Come and shop where I go.
No, you know, so me don't want you get paranoid.
Then we are here a call for. You don't know someone named No. I look for somebody to give me a call. Take you out and get the homeless people. It's when somebody asks if you a call. If you say no, no, I don't want it, I don't want it. If you say you don't have no credit.
Come on.
Come together, go on.
What there?
Where you come from?
Say girl. Just get a one number.
From me, no, you not get my number. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? No, you something look like it over me?
You get money from a man?
Well, me not get it yet. Me just using phone and ring off mine.
But you know say you really idiot.
What you mean?
Kill me dead say a man give your number.
No girl, you have to use the good tricks and trade on him. He never dare just get up on him because him and the woman are walking.
Which man that?
You don't know, what name again, man? GX.
Which GX?
You don't know what GX?
I could never Shanice man you want.
That said one day, dark chocolate. Yeah, girl.
Take out people them dark chocolate, come mad woman that. Leave the people. Every time you want a man. What you want a man to do?
She mad but me mother. What you know people do with man?
You not only carry down shame upon the family, you put the family 6 foot deep.
What you mean by?
He's a disgrace. Every day you walk around with they want man. Man this, man that.
Man nice. Then I want me to go look, man.
You pick up money and I have nothing.
Me look like me a rub crutches. Now do that, man. A straight man to me thing.
I lie you tell.
What you mean?
Every day you come you want man. You some breed.
All you do when me breed, me can't come give you.
And you know say the one in my family? You want big stinking war. You want big stinking war.
At least me.
All you do is sell your body.
Who tell us get money?
Who tell us a Shanice man want you? Shanice man no want something like you.
He might not want me, but me want him and me have to get him.
Cause you made it no sense. You see some man no want you. Man. What man give you? What man give you? Tell me what man give you.
That they give me.
I ain't nothing in my daytime. You have to come over auntie and come beg. 24/7 you beg. Beg.
I'm auntie be supposed to can beg her.
So you take something in your wolf for?
And that me get my whole for no fi take man in a hit. And that give me that God give me whole to do.
No girl.
Take man. And that me I use it.
And if you do like me and go up and marble and make marble teach. You know marble teach me say? Stop for free. And if you want small box food, I want soda. Yeah, and if you go up there, I should teach you. You see, marble, anytime man got female, they have to get box food. Box food and soda.
So that
Because you do it on dry tripe.
So that you sex for?
Yeah.
Small box food. That's so the large one, the small one.
Girl, so me not dead for hungry and she not dead for hungry. But if I see me come at you come back.
Me look like me dead for hungry.
Your maga know what you want people, man.
Who attack?
Girl, me not fat.
Okay.
Sexy. I wish I got my shape.
Girl, no.
Look at my curves.
Anyways, come go by your business.
All you do is take man.
Me
Take
not
man, take man.
People man nice.
I'm broke like dog. Me no see where you get out of it.
People man are bright.
But it's dirty no.
It's so delicious.
Shanice! I come here, can you?
Yes, me I drink my good water. When my boyfriend buy, come give me. Sure. What go on?
Girl, you love say about how me mix up, you know. Well, guess what? Me must see just come after where did you want your man?
Yes, my one and only man. Feel me, man.
Feel your one and only man.
Yes.
Let me make you know this. It's like you have no mirror in your house. May I buy some?
Girl, I have mirror.
That one they can't see your man. Your man too big for that one. That one that's small. So that one.
Never go bury your eye then.
No, you need some binoculars.
How about name so?
Want something you go so and look through.
My man no live under sea. What me I do with binoculars?
Girl, just what me have to say to you. One angel drop on the road. I mean not talk about being angel. Me I talk about the one what come from up above. The one in upper sky. That angel me I talk about.
So me never get that one day.
Girl, I know you go get it. And your man.
My man.
Your man.
I go get that angel. From God?
Yes.
Huh?
I got send it come.
My man.
Well, man, make tell this girl, just make sure you watch your man cleanly.
No, that no sound right. Me not understand that one day. Me not understand that. Come again.
Girl,
Yeah.
read between the lines.
No, if you tell me, I tell you.
You don't love to me mix up, you know. I mean, I'm the one to tell you nothing. You sit here 2 years there.
Between the lines.
Yes.
Talk.
Your man.
For my one and only man.
No, girl. For you one and only man.
Yeah, my one and only man.
You have to watch him. Because somebody coming for him. And when the
I went for the little girl, they were begging my call.
What you could go beg him call now?
One little chaka girl in here look like you do for Christmas. She now a red something with one little battery rider and run her back here.
Girl, man, you talk about my cousin too. Man, oh, you talk about my cousin.
Is she a talk?
No.
Oh.
She
Then who
not
beg the call?
No, the angel. The angel beg the call.
So she beg the call?
All you have to do,
So she gonna take me man?
girl, me don't know what take your man, you know. No put words down my mouth. Me just say, watch your man.
One.
You must,
Me not like
you
you, you not tell me it straight.
girl.
Never cook my man dinner. My one and only man, cause it's my man. Me not share
Girl,
it.
Yet about my man, wait till man shame me. Never you dare put your trust in a man.
My man not shame me. If my guy shot me there back here, if my guy work me there in pocket him, not shame me.
When you're there sleep.
Go on from a man, yeah.
No, and that's why you don't come at black people. You can't tell black people nothing. Wait till you can take your man.
Mix up.
Forever and will be. Tib! The ugly man did it now. Tib! Someone else. Tib!
How that?
I mean, Kayla. Tib there?
Kayla. From where?
From down the road. Tib there?
So you can't just come with me and ask me man like that.
Girl, me know Tib. Tib is my friend.
Yeah, but that's not how you ask. Me and girlfriend, they're supposed to have little respect.
Okay, sorry, my bad. Sometimes I don't know manners. Just you come out and say from where. So, well, I come here and look for Tib. Where's Tib?
No, there.
When will he be back? From when he left?
Why are you sounding so adamant? Like say, what you hear me now, so?
Yeah, no.
Then why you act like that?
But I want to know which part Tib gone.
Just know he's not here. He will come back soon. You know, live a road. I not like you how you come to me.
Tell me when I like you when I come to you, girl. I am man me come to, not you.
He's not here. In a day here. In a day here. So what issue? Is there any message you can left with me? What you want?
No, the message I have for Tib, stay with Tib. A Tib me come to. What's your name?
Alian. Why?
Okay, Alian. When Tib come, tell Tib to come to him.
Oh, what is that girl now? What's up? The woman fat, so what woman live from?
Tib, come here, my big friend.
Where you do over yard? Where you do over this stuff?
You know, so give me calling card for a little money. And a little big fat sour sitting over there like such wanna argue with me.
Listen, man, put respect to me, woman.
Alright.
Put respect to me, woman. Where you look for me now for?
You can't let me want 2 grand.
I didn't know. You owe me 10 grand already.
So if you talk about that?
Of course. Listen me, only young girl fit to walk around people yard and borrow money. You know, right?
You see me borrow money from nobody? Yeah, anybody me come to and borrow money.
You tell them again, you feel walk up and top walk. You don't walk and borrow money. You will later say, don't walk and borrow. You're a young girl.
Coming like thief.
So you must go look work.
Get your honesty.
Right.
So see what we do? Me not no money.
Papa always encourage young girl over what.
Tell them again.
Papa,
See it.
You
You see it? I mean, never know what I want.
Me love how you got ambition and make your house.
See them
Me
way.
not shit up no.
You hear what me neighbor say? Listen me.
Let me see what your neighbor want to say. I beg me, they beg me not beg me. Let me see what anybody want to say.
So how much you want to borrow?
2 grand.
Tell you the youth that tell you what is right, little girl.
Yes.
It is not right. I will forever beg.
You know if you beg. You feel
2 grand. What do she? You come.
alright, I'll transfer it. Because I like transfer it, you know, because when time you're ready for my money, you can't tell me, sir.
You see my embarrassment here? You come forward tell your neighbor no say me they beg you.
Yeah, because you beg too much.
Who beg too much? Me not working. What you want me to do?
You see them plastic back there you see on the road? $1 the company I buy them for.
Me
If you walk around and pick up $1 million of tobacco, you're rich.
Me not go on the road and take up no water back. You're lucky. Me see you send the money.
So you will walk over people here come beg and take embarrassment.
Ah, yeah, alone me I come beg. Me
Yes,
not
yes, she
go
did
beg.
that piece for you. Moon have a problem.
Dash piece for who? Dash piece for who? You just see me door over there. You look fat when the pan that come off. Should have mag like a tick.
Me, yes, and teeth. To me fall, you hear about it?
Yes. Dirty Paul do it. Did everything.
Then I did it one time and one time.
No, it was rumor. Rumor.
Rumor no go so. Rumor no go so. It was in the fall club.
Well, it's because part of the big dollars.
Right, anyway, chat too much.
Okay. Thank you.
2 grand. Remember say each 2 grand you borrow is $500 extra.
When me hit the jackpot and me bucky white man, me pay you back. And control your little wild hog we have over there.
No worry about that. Oh gosh, you know cook. I'm tired. Oh Lord.
You know cook.
So what that mean?
You just jump, come in, come, sit down. Me have something to ask you. Why this Kayla girl almost every day and come after me and come and ask you? Eh? Who's she? Who's she to you?
So hold on there. Nobody can come and ask me again. Right?
Ask her one. But Tim, we start Tim there. When there? Like what kind of style that? Your woman?
What me do she? And money she have borrowed from me. We just see about the road a while ago.
So why have over you so where even if money my borrow from you and I have to come and say no say you live with your woman and him will come in your yard come ball out and him and a deal with the situation.
So hold on, me ask you a question now. If a girl really take away your man, you feel say that we have to come here so? Are you so big
oh, you bright. You will make it happen.
Me will never chance that.
You come on. You cook. Eh? Well, me can never ask Kayla if you cook.
Me go nyam from Kayla.
Now your woman, people call you.
I'm a friend.
Any friend.
But me want to eat for her.
I'm a friend.
You want to see how she wash plate?
So you're going yard to see her wash plate now?
No, because me go, they go collect back my money when I borrow.
You go up and here, go collect money.
Yeah.
You think you can take me feed them?
And the same money me give what they have to buy food in your house.
Oh, so you tell me say girl mind me?
Jesus, sweet, you see, saying to me, I try to show you.
And I tell look at me, tell me say girl mind me.
You know what,
I tell her this now. I tell her this. As my man, me will chop off down there.
So why?
So make me find out, say, you this Kayla girl in a nothing. As a matter of fact, you better name cool today. Cause me not cooking. You bright and out of that. Come boy if you cook. The girl come and me and ask you. Why not Kayla?
And that's why when you not get born, no, you know. That's why. When man they are loyal too, no. Alright. You go on. You see? Why?
You know that I say?
Me I say. Listen what me I say. Who no real man?
Who no real man?
Who no real man?
Who no what real boy you? Eh?
Everything.
Girl come and me and ask you every day. Eh? That's a real. That's a real.
I say for one of my brethren come here, you don't say I'm a man. You don't say me a faggot.
No, would I say come here if you come call you to carry you to your girl there, but that would I say. Yes. That would I say. Cause that's all your brethren they know if you do whole of them, you will set down a whore. What difference?
But me pronounce a whore to you, yeah? I tell you what is a whore. You see a whore? A whore is like the mongrel dog them out the road. They don't flash it anyway.
And that you do. Flash it anyway.
So you feel that this a boy here?
Yes, this a boy here.
A flash on the face.
Anyway.
This have shame.
Wait, which part?
Shame.
Which part it has shame? I look at one smig like a Kayla. If you come disrespect me in my yard. I go, hey, what him? You don't need to know that. Just tell him every time I come back, when I this, when I that.
Let me ask you a question. When me are in the bedroom and me do an hour, me can go down further. The poor little Jimmy does drop down so can't even get up back.
It no matter. If you did there, let me ask you this. If you did there, a yard there, right? You gone, me gone per road, right? A man come here, come and ask me. Alien!
Me not box you.
Alien! Oh, okay.
Me never mean if you box you, look at idiot. Come go in, go make love.
But that's love way. Ah!
Me I talk to you. Oh, you drop asleep already. Oh, yeah, asleep, so you breathe something. Yeah. But me sure no know me.
I'm there.
So you asleep, so. Hey, you wait there for you to do that last night.
Yeah. Oh, me never see Miss Carly, man. So, me never do no, no, me can't circle, man. Yeah. Alright, me I'll do that then, I'll forward. Alright. I'm a boy.
Then me a talk to you.
I'm a boy.
But me a talk to you. You tell man say you're free. Me leave you there for man or woman.
I'm a boss.
I might take you back and put you back to bed.
Boss.
Where you go?
I'm a answer woman right.
Me I make you give me no bone. Me hear about the angel, you know. Me hear about the angel. The same like the angel.
Be me and the angel.
Me hear about the angel. And if you feel like you're gonna put me out and carry the angel in there, me burn down this.
Me have to go.
Where you go? You gotta work every day and me not see money.
My boss call me and know me have to go.
What you call you for?
Me have to go pack up some things and I didn't get in.
So when you get paid?
Tomorrow. As me get paid, so I get some grocery. As me get paid.
You feel me and Tanya take no fun. You feel me? You see all the little satchels there? I go start inspecting. I go. Me have people who work at health place, you know. Me I go tell them what to do. I go turn you over and look. Me don't want to go on.
Alright. You can't say me now again. My boss call me. And me I go work and come back. And
Come with
make
money.
it be a problem. Tell me never understand me. And then if me sit down
I understand woman, I go try understand man.
I'm not make
Pick
no
up a
money.
man.
You want me go walk and carry something for you.
If you look sensible, walk. Look how to do a look.
Me gone, me
I'm
gone.
boss I call
Me
you.
gone.
You're gone. You just wait.
Tip on me.
Me glad me see you. Are you me a talk to? Oh, me take your number. I call you. Are you not take up your phone?
What do you mean?
What me mean? I mean, I call you your phone and you not answer.
So me never know say me and you in a business.
When I have it in a business for you pick your phone. Me call over 20 times.
Listen me. Me no answer no call after 6 o'clock.
Girl, what you do so?
Well, you good?
Yeah, walk and this young lady stop me.
No, I'm not about she. But you're 2 grand now.
No money. Every time you see me, you have a problem with money.
So you tell me say you're a big man, you will fix up house and everything, you know, no money. Dig deep under the Johnny Jock pack. Dig deep. Go in your pocket.
We don't have nothing there. I don't have anything. Me drive.
You don't have no money at all.
I down the road, me I go work. My boss call me right now. I work. Me I go.
You dry like a dog. You don't at all.
Dry.
Alright. No moving up. And just with a new woman. Don't move.
Me and you see what you cause problem
What
now.
me cause?
Me no answer call after 6 o'clock. Do not call me. Me have a woman there. We are headpiece no right. You understand?
Well, whether you like it or not, I shall get you.
No, guys, this young lady put
I shall
herself in a
get you.
problem,
Whether you like it or not, whether you have a woman or not, I shall get that.
Jesus Christ.
But they tell a friend now.
Like rain, you know. You see?
Shanice! Girl, come here! Me say me come and warn you. You come here. Are you to sleep?
Yeah, girl.
Yeah, sleep. Your man up the road a bust out girl tongue for me cousin Amanda. Your man there suck out in tongue.
Wait.
It's about wait.
No, wait.
Everything and a wine up and a hover. Everything. Watch out, you idiot. Girl, talk that and come before you go.
What you say?
Your man up the road a suck out me cousin tongue, Manda.
Pinch me.
Pinch you. Hurry up.
Sleep then.
Hurry up. Your man, you want to know him man a give you come on here, man up the road. Come, girl. What's up, girl? Hurry up, girl.
Oh, far we are going and then hurry up, no, me can't see nothing.
Christ, man.
What one?
It's like if you hurry up a bit, then gonna right so then right or so.
You know me take you back and bust your head.
You bust my head for.
If they need it right or so, then gone now.
Girl, no more than a stop chat and gone with security and go pinch me, rub out me eye, right up to the end of the day.
You know, say me man tell me say a liar tell. Me just come for prove it wrong, you know. Cause my man not give me no bone. I work, my man gone.
Girl, me say you're mad with my 2 eye. Like she's so my cousin.
Say no, should I hold the girl and ask her what she do?
No. You say you're a man, so you can't see a man yourself.
So what the man there?
Your man that must gone when that go before.
I work him gone.
Take it, put it back along, man out of your beat, put it back along. Put it back
I
along.
beat you.
Me!
Where the man there?
Girl! If the man just saw the man for the call your man, then you have phone and you're a man the power with woman.
You see me left out with no phone, they tell me say my man there, so me I come for me man for carry me home. Where him there?
Girl, me see your man right I saw with me cousin and suck out tongue and hug up.
Me don't believe you, no, but me should have left me yard. Me should have go back go sleep. I just want to prove you wrong. It all mix up.
Girl, if you want to prove me wrong, you come out of house with back if you bust up girl face. Can't matter no
You know, me take you bus for your one instead.
What's for head?
It all mix up.
How to mix up?
Don't talk back to me. Can you see it? Me left out of my nice man bed. Same out here with woman. Where him there? I must me man that. I must him that on the ground.
Your man is out there, your man gone, so take a little time and muggle your little body go up. Just go and back up, here. Cause you just waste me time.
And then muggle bend my foot bend up.
See that girl back up your yard?
Girl, go on.
Wait till I catch your man. Me a go now.
Yeah, me liar.
Hello.
Evening,
how are you?
I'm fine.
You look fine too.
No, make up your mind. Why you stop me?
Then tell me why me stopping me like you. What you mean?
You can't like persons adjust to them. No, you're not running with you there. Me I come from my business, right? Hello, good evening. You like me. But you beg me a money and done, because you look like
you know what money me want?
Because of that only young girl do. Also, see a man, hi, hello. Me never yet see one now stop and say, see your money, yes, sir. Hi, hello, then begging start. What you tell me in your mouth? From see tell me, know say you're freaky.
Yeah? Oh, you know say tongue ring in the mouth. If you never focus on the mouth, you say tongue ring in the mouth.
Mama, I touch the church out and then see me can push out them tongue. I saw me see they come out, see that.
Anyways, we can't make it 10 grand.
You ever work before?
R5.
You ever work before?
Of course, my work.
You know how work spell?
You know how work spell.
If you spell work back way, me give you 10 grand.
K-O. K-O-R-W.
Me say if you spell work back way.
Then no back way, me spell it.
No.
What you mean, no?
If you spell work back way.
We just spell it back way a while ago.
Work can't spell back way. You can never spell work back way. You, how which school you go?
Tepman
Work
College.
spell one way.
Tepman College.
Front way. Mama, listen to me, Tappy. Stop. Walk. How you look down so far?
Yeah, give me money here.
Listen to me. Me tell you if you spell work back way. Work cannot spell back way. Because a one way work spell. W-O-R-K. You don't spell work no K-O-R-W. Don't do them sitting there. You know work so. Don't do it. Learn something in your head.
Shame me. You have to load up your mouth so you don't see people over there so.
I'm in our business. Learn. Be here.
Well, me pass through school already.
Go look work. Me have a woman down me yard. Me don't want no other woman. Me
If you buy
satisfied.
the hook or buy the crook, me have to get you. Eh? You so me done with you? Your maga don't owe your maga. Go on by your business. Go on now.
No mention nothing about Marga, you know. Cause right now mapstick me a look on.
At least me look like mapstick. What you
The
look
big
like?
part of the head part and the little part down the bottom.
Go on. Can me have to get you. Go on. Lead the road.
For you can get me, you have to take out the snake eye. You have to take out the long fingernail because you can't need dumpling with them.
Me not plan to eat
From
no
see
flour.
that, you say you can't cook.
I don't plan if me can't cook.
Your ear, you just have to say, I look on the good because I don't want you say me shame you, you know. But you look like when you ever watch Shakaria dumpling or boy one named Zakaria dumpling.
How for you look? Take off your hat, let me see it. Yeah, describe my hair. Let me see for you.
Go on. All I do I walk around and take man like I went and nearly
I mean, I tap
go on.
Are you next on your list?
You come like your dream.
Dream?
As a
Just
cat.
see me a dream or a
I
reality.
never can't tell. I was singing. You must be dreaming.
It was soon, not me a dream or a for real. I shall get you.
Tim! Aliam! Hello! Pat something. Tim! Let's go there. Every day you come and ask the tib. What you have me man in a? Oh, see me.
What, a night, no? A night, no.
Okay. That's not the come over here. Okay.
Wow, okay with that.
Okay, no. Me glad you finally reach her yard when him there.
Where you now?
It don't matter, me there me yard. Me there me yard. Me there not get call catch me on the road.
But you the from veranda and people that walk past.
It don't matter, me comfort. Me in my zone. Where she a do ya?
Hello, where you there?
No, let me show you my dear. Table. And that thing come here can do. Where is she in?
Look for me good.
Where is she in?
Look for me good. She could have been my woman, she look like my daughter.
Yes, she could have been a woman. It no matter. Where is she in? Every day she come and beat down my door. Go on with herself and
me tell you already. You want me to tell you?
Let me tell you something.
You know me when I want to see me.
You see it? Let me tell you something now. I have for your woman. Miss Iron. Table could chang body woman over here when I go know about that catch up in a bed. At the time, me tell you this, me don't want your man. If you don't want your man, but I take your man. You think I can do? It's big money and big money come. So if you want your man, me just lay down and skin out and squat it back over. Hey, so that easy for you to deal with that. Yeah. So big money I give she and I give me $1. Eh? When she beg, so she come beg you out and you want to give me money.
How you wicked so?
Eh? You don't want to give me money.
You don't get money when I borrow. It's come like a partner. The more I borrow it and pile up and you come pay me back, me give it.
You come like a trophy. Tell me, say, girl, mind me. You hear me tell me so?
How you feel mind and my money?
Yeah, tell me, say, I mind my money because I get it from because give it to me.
Where she get it from?
Where you two are in?
She can barely buy a t-shirt for her backside.
Where two are in? We don't know. Let me need you to stop. Come here, come here. You door. No, just me backside. Trust where?
You don't trust me?
Trust not even their shop. How me trust you?
The amount of time you come in at night and she skin over my little boy. I search it. You don't trust me?
She know, my tell you she not trust. Guess him? You see where she big? She have a friend, so little slim body woman, then we take you away cause we don't know where to do it a big so. So no, but you come from the veranda. Hello, disrespect me. Control a bullbuck. Control my buck me. So let me ask you something. If you did have a man, and every chance me gonna your man yard. Girl. John Paul. I can't know your man. What's your first of all, I don't have no man come on a dog. You say me do have a man, if you come here, come bang. So, me not fret cause I got my man head lock. We are talking about. Oh, so try to say you have man. See now if you fret me come up here do and don't fret about me cause a box food me do things for. Me don't do things for free. One box food and me good. Me no whole man. Oh, say me tell me say a box food you buy game.
But you don't say I want to give
a house you have to give me. House me want from him. Big mansion. Okay. Up on the hills. Okay. Clear now, clear as day.
If you feel
so that's why I keep on the barrier money.
If you feel I see you're local.
Me don't want to tell this. So what do me? If me did want you, what do me?
No, you're just mad. You're just mad.
In front of me, I'm going to work on the station with girl. Listen to me. Fat son. She want to do it, you know.
Oh, yeah, can she? Oh, yeah, can she? Me?
That mistake me make. You want to do it. So you look like me have to go do it. Listen to me. Listen to me. You see this veranda, yeah? You see as long as I see this yard, yeah? Oh, well, I can't just pull back. Can't you pull back? So your man. Every time he come, Papa, I you.
Huh?
Let him know my money and see.
You get a bad.
You want to cross his one
So
too.
you let me for?
Do not make that girl come back here. I mean, you're going to have problems, you know.
I'm here, brother.
What me say? She never come back here, stop lending money. Papi sure. Or partner.
Oh, boy, you're wicked, man. You're very wicked. You. Give me girl bonnet, man. You don't say bad man. Bad man, I kill you.
You better live out of my presence, no? Live out of my presence. Because you annoy my spirit, you know.
Me not want to give you a bun and you go on, so.
Who not give bun?
Me not give bun.
Who not give bun?
Me only give the cheese,
But
baby.
you catch up here. You catch up here. You catch up here every day at this little resin looking woman.
Oh, God. Relax yourself, baby. Now I'm here, bun, man. Don't worry. Everything good. You don't have to fret. Remember saying, you know, a triplet near again, you know.
Triplets out of
Out I gun here.
Out of
And a gun here, now the real gun here, get not the blank shot. A
To the-
poi. Nice. Your belly must rise, you know.
Out of and a 1 minute you turn.
It no matter who first come win.
You blank your fire, but come win. Go along there, you know, me never feel big ink kid. I know me can't
No. You know why you no breathe? You see them pill there when me find in the bag and dash them way. You see them fine little brown pill there, you feel them, you idiot. Them little mini grinder.
And you dash them way, but what come out of nothing?
You know, we are out of you yet.
Move, a blank your fire, go down and doctor go check out it. Me I tell you not even one swim around you can't find under there. Me not ask you, no swim around no there under there. I so, then just long out so. They not gonna when you're gonna fire them as they drop so poof. They just turn around poof.
You know why?
And then when me use the bathroom, me just go poof.
You know
I
why?
run out back.
You know why they not swim around?
Your papi show you.
You know why they not swim around?
Cause you're active. You're up and down with one bag of girl and run. Yeah.
Yes, me girl. I know people now run come back to me say, Daddy.
Who's Pitney? Why not them dead? You don't understand. Your sperms aren't working properly. Your body not going with nothing.
Me feel like say you know no sense, you know.
Your sperm cells not going on with nothing.
Me feel like something wrong with down here, so.
Don't worry.
Down here, so the home no good again.
Oh God.
It's like you take out the home.
Just so, like a typical man, fi blame a woman, say, them are the problem.
Me can't. Me there for 5 years now. And me can't come on one day and hear daddy. Me can't hear daddy. I just hear them in. You again, this and that, and that. No one come on and hear daddy.
You have the ability to make something call your daddy. Let me ask you that. You have it. With your little 2-inch. You have it. That I reach nowhere. You that I reach nowhere. Me breed for me ex them, you know. Me breed for them. And drop and lose the pity them. So when you attack about, you not go on with nothing.
You're not even gonna make me some punch. I talk about my little 2-inch, right? But my little 2-inch make it climb up on the chest of jar and mash up the glass. See ya. Why, baby? Stop. Yeah. I will not leave you if you like it.
Being sarcastic. Don't you know pretending so I can get my little dough?
Pretending. I run the eye water.
Yes.
Oh, so pretending to mash up my glass. Thank you.
No, argument with you.
You're pay for it.
No, argument with you. What me for? What me pay for?
Me need things.
What me pay for? What me pay for? When you dig in me, you did that say
no, my 2-inch can't hurt you. Just say you was pretending. So you're here for the glass.
Yeah, joke me on me.
No, don't touch it.
Come here now.
Don't touch it.
Come here.
You never say?
I joke me on me.
Don't
I joke me on me.
touch me kind of
Come,
touch me.
alright, come me squeeze some bump in your face. I joke me on me.
Okay, right.
I joke me on me. Mood neighbor. I would never.
Yeah. That's why I have to look at you. Yeah, prepare my food. Yeah?
Where you come from?
Where do you come from?
Me here boy up the road, you know.
My boss give me a buckle but me a gate.
Now one thing, can I go get the angel? And them say God sent come for you.
Which angel? Now what do you mean you talk about angel? Me don't know where you talk about. You know?
I don't know when you talk about Lily.
Which angel?
The one with them send for you.
You see Duppy?
See it here?
God. Yeah. Talk to me straight. I like that round
Alright.
corner. Go straight.
Somebody tell me say.
I know chicken patty that you have in a food.
When you get in your plate, that's she will see.
Take that. Take
Tap
that
my
out.
chicken back if you don't want the body.
No, you have to cut it off, chop it off and drop it out the door. You know, put it in the pot. When me and eat out there. If you cook for yourself.
Yeah, me cook for myself. Go make the angel feed you. Vamos, I don't want to hear. Go get the angel. Right.
You know understand me, I say. Talk to me, sir. No. Me listen. Which angel?
I'm not talking with you.
Now when you're done cook, you come in contact with me. Yeah? Hear me, sweetie?
Go on, because the angel will come.
You take the point. You don't understand. See back there. You take the point. This angel.
Take him outside. About angel. I said, I don't know if you're telling me now. Say, Kayla tell me, but we have.
What's going on, Leon? Don't you know what we do, you know?
You, everywhere you see me, you just have to. You can't just not see me.
Calm down, girl. Calm down.
What is it? Where you want?
Anyways, me say I have money this say, you know.
And?
Because me know one way. How make you get more money than the money that we have. 4 times the money we have. Me not just only borrow money, you know. Me tell me do. You see when me borrow money from you, man? Can you give me $500? And $5,000 me give him. Ask you when you see me say I love lending me money. So if I give me that now, me give you 4 times what you have in your hand. This or 5 times. I just say just you have to name a price.
If me give you this, you are going to give me back more?
Yes, so that's why man love lend me money because I make him get more income.
And when will I get back that by?
Girl, if you tell me I want the money, I little more you get the money. Tomorrow anytime.
And you're sure, say I'm sure too.
Ask him, man. If I can face pay him back, where think you that lend me the money if I need to pay him back? If you pay him back for you lend me. I never counted everything, you know. Never counted everything. Let's try to get a chick. I'm going to go into God.
Oh, well, what you say I'm going to do?
But tell the type of agreement with me and your man have. If me come and me borrow $2,000 for your man, me give your man $8,000 and me have pay him back. So me know how to make you make money.
So that's a 4. That's a whole lot how much you're at 6.
Yes. I say
So if me give you 8,000, how much me get?
if you give me 8,000, me give you 18,000.
So that's about $800.
$800? If I give me $800, me give you $2,000.
US.
US, girl, if I US, give me a US, I get it back in now. Hello, my half of them start to feel like me, I go look for another client. Like, you know me in business.
Hold on,
you know
no.
me in business at
Just
all.
hold on.
You feel like you know me in business.
Me have $800 in my hand. And me just consider how to make more because we kind of broke right now. Not much money. So, and you tell me I will get it back.
Girl, you see every time your man lend me money, you know see that? Right. You know say I'm stingy with money. If he never they get back the money and get back whole if you only lend me the money, so I like to lend me money.
So, but you're going to double this or triple this?
Me I got triple it.
And I'll get it back.
Yes! Girl, you know me in business, you know me in business.
Come.
Business. Cause like you know what deal I know deal. Talk fast put in me and no man like money.
Yeah. Deal.
Yeah, deal. Let's go there now.
But you say me I'll get it back.
Girl, me say you get back the money, you get back the money. Thank you. I don't know beat me.
Alright.
Yeah.
2,000.
What?
Okay.
That they talk about triple.
I gone.
Triple show you.
Oh, blasted idiot.
Tim! Tim! Come on here. Tim! Tim! Oh! Tim! Yes, so long me a call you. Me a holla call you on the front here and say you want to wash dirty plate.
No, listen to me. You they call me on that front, right?
Eh.
You expect to me if you turn up and hear you. Round there so. I hear the way on that front. Where my money is?
Anyways. See you.
Put it in my pocket.
Alright. And this I want to come bonus for coming with me.
Alright, bonus. Let's start with more money. No worry.
Hold it more. You understand?
Alright.
You good though?
Yeah man, so far.
You don't want to say about me book a white man I know.
Huh?
Yeah. Fucking white man. And you show me no time, you show me no hold grudge. Why when your young man beat me what day ya? Me not hold it against you. Me forgive you.
Alright, go and take good.
Yeah, me I go and take good and give you the money. Me upgrade from box food now.
Alright, when no man come and give me money if you got soup.
Alright. Look more.
Yeah. Why she upgrade?
Blasted idiot. Me don't know where you get the woman from. It's full of person that have to be like a fat so a woman, man. Idiot them, man. B. You don't hear me calling in the house?
I want to come back.
I come a couple minutes ago.
Oh,
Wash plate.
yeah man, anyway, see we collect my money now when I leave over here. Take out it.
Who?
Take out.
Which one? That one?
Yeah, take out it. Take. Put on the 100 in my account. I'm spend 150 at supermarket and take the 50 off yourself.
I will get them money.
Huh?
Where you get them money from?
Who making it?
Who are you?
Kayla, no more Kayla. Who else could have won me?
Wait. Kayla just get them money, come get.
Yeah, she won me. She said she back a white man.
White man?
Yeah, she back a white man.
B.
You girl hold good man. You hold good.
You hold good for true.
So wait, so tell me something. You pay the people them. What me say you pay? You don't answer me.
What you say? Kayla can money come give.
Yeah.
Eh?
That girl hold good man. Hold your far. Hey.
B. Kayla, tap me out the road.
Oh,
When
good.
me a
You
go-
give money too? Can give me bonus. Give me $100 bonus. Like the white man, humpy man give him 1,000 bonus. Cause if you give somebody 100 bonus,
Listen to me now,
that's when they
please.
get
Me
1,000
understand
bonus.
you're happy for her. But I don't think you're going happy for long. You hear?
No,
You see the money where you give me? You go pay the people them.
Yeah,
Kayla tap me out the road. And Kayla tell me say every time he borrow money from you. You understand? He give you back
pay me.
extra and more.
So you don't
He double
justify
it.
yourself. You don't justify yourself.
So B,
She give me 100.
Kayla let me give Kayla the money. Where you give me for give the people them and you say I go triple it, give me it back.
You take my money. Give Kayla. For triplet.
Yeah,
I
so
say you don't want me triplet the pot.
listen now,
You don't want me triplet the pot. You idiot?
Listen now, just listen now.
You are idiot?
I tell me say my triple it back. I say can say always a double.
You can't believe in the dangerous line eh? Who gonna take in your right man triple his money in a time like this year? You idiot? Triple it where? You see Kayla a bank book. How people account Kayla use correct look at $2,000.
B, I know that my name mean too. Yeah, my name I mean.
Oh. Make sure you come back here with me money. Oh, there's no food, no cooking here.
Chinese girl. If I'm not about my man, I don't really want to hear.
Girl, your man is not a topic and my white man and my buck at the hot topic.
You have white man?
Yes.
You know the brother?
You don't have a man?
You don't say Angel come fame.
No, girl. Still want him. When they know?
I don't even know.
Man, I don't know.
So I go on.
Nothing I go on, girl.
Yeah, scroll through the...
Me just go pay a little dirty man down the road. Popeye and Stinking Table. The two of them me go pay. Two of
Where
them
you
go
get money
pay.
from?
Eh?
Where you get money from?
It's like you're there for me to book a
Pay
white
me
man.
too.
You don't look at me breeze off a little bit.
You know what? Give me none of the man, brother. Much less cousin, so come pay me.
No, you must see idiot. You must see really care head.
You have to come back over here again.
Girl, me a big issue if I tell you. Me know see you know tip, not true.
Yes, the little ugly man.
Me say me see a little fat girl down the road.
I want to go on with that.
They take man like a dog.
Ufa man.
Dirty.
Popeye?
No, Popeye, woman. Little fat one but they will beat me. That she
Team
beat
woman.
me.
I
Yes.
take Popeye.
Yes.
You know you're confusing.
Sometimes I head I go.
Really?
So you see, team woman, they with Popeye. Little madman.
Tib and Popeye, no virgin.
Yes, to our friend.
Really? This act bad.
Yes.
So much money you get to shut your mouth for that?
We don't get no money at all.
You get money.
Girl.
You
Me
can't
not
give
get
me
no money.
$100. Your hands don't even look real. Watch it.
Girl, then let me take it back for you. Then don't even say me no. Me say, all you woman. Me hear say woman a do beer vice in him a DJ holy. In bad penny.
You should have DJ them.
The DJ the DJ there. I'm here saying I get table.
Eh?
Yes.
Maybe. Remember she did set tip can last 1 minute, girl.
Yes. I guess I know. It's this song again. They said good. And that she a do with her mouth. You know,
You so Sarah Bridge.
and you know me about her again too. I'm gonna start tell Tib. You see watching long? She exercises too much. I said, you know me like indeed too much.
Like you rub on the concrete too much,
And I said,
man.
yes I do. And you see her Tib? Me you see her be a suck Tib, suck here.
We just say.
Girl, it's like you're deaf. Me say me here see her be a suck Tib, suck it off.
You know, say if me see her come and me a shoot a bush, me a take you up and me a make one big
No, me
block
not that.
in my mouth and run.
And kiss up it. You never time believe in do that.
Why?
You're thinking about neighbor. I come.
I mean, I look for and run.
Like see a Greg that or so.
Go on go listen mix up and tell me. My foot a hurt me, girl.
Alright. Me done the
And
argument.
brush
right
off your
now.
body, we you not have.
Girl, I'll clean your floor. And that's why they soon take your man. Can't know if you
And
clean.
if I tell you if you come here, stop walk and take people money.
This is the fire cool, sir. Supposed to bite you. The big old bees in the fire. Let me see if it come off. Turn around.
What am I tell you?
Turn around now. Let me see if something come off.
Listen me, if nothing did there for me shirt, my woman now make me left out of the house. Let me tell you
You're an
that.
idiot. Can the big old bees up on the back of your shirt? You want
If
to
I be that for me shirt.
Let me brush it off. Turn around.
Mama.
No
People man.
Jesus. You ever interrupt me? What? You're not have a yard.
Me and your cousin, you know.
You don't have a yard.
Beer.
But you
come
ever
like
open
the
that this
side
a
and-
Because
Wait, you can say.
dark chocolate. Yes. I forget.
I feel it.
I could not finish.
Mama, please me I beg you. You know you can't hold your mouth. Just continue, please.
You can't hold my mouth.
Please me I beg you, just continue.
Alright.
Me I beg you, please.
Alright, don't move it up. Don't move this time when you turn up.
Mama, Where you see these on my shirt?
Me tell you say the friggin' bees up on your shirt and there, so I question me see them we alright. Make you crawl up in your damn neck back and
Which have
bite.
the bees then? The bees there on my shirt.
Nobody
Where
from
bees
you.
there? Where bees there?
Chinese! Chinese! Girl! Me say you tell people business.
What happened?
Me like go up the road and me see your man, you know.
You ever see me,
See
man?
your man and kiss the girl again, you know.
I support me go up there and not up there this time.
Last time you chop me out and now chop me out this time.
Come.
Girl, you have to get some.
He up there?
Yes.
Alright, come.
Go on. Give me idiot.
You cook all the happy.
Boy.
I work me and go and she said so.
Whoa. Run the girl. See you take them on our road.
See your mouth.
Where you do your so? Where work there? Where you do your so? Let me ask you.
You see your mouth, you see your...
You know, come go. Me all go around here.
So me a go.
Go up.
Come here. Where my money? Where my money? Where money then? Where your teeth from me? Where money then? Where money? Where money where you take me from me? I tell lie how much I got triple. You triple down? Where money there? Where there? Where mommy tell us say yeah, brand new crocs, brand new clothes. No, you spend the money by yourself. Me want me money. Me want
Me have triple the money, but not yet.
Not only you take the money, you take me man too.
Me never tell you, I want you one lie me ever tell you. Me tell you two, me a man no they know. I only Chinese man alone me tell lie for cause I don't like a boy in that black boy. What?
Me glad you're here.
Me a see
Yes, girl thief me money.
after me believe in little black girl, you know, you see a maga favor giraffe, you come like a giraffe in a
You
shrek.
still have me money, me must fuck you.
So we are not rob. We are not rob.
No, every time I come up on my money and all type of stuff now.
Ever come on my yard and tell me foolishness,
Take
but
what
me
800
man.
US from me when my triple hit. I make me and my man a problem for money.
You give me 1,000.
You get what? So you get something. Rest it, man. I'm not so party.
Yeah, you reach to the end. Tell me, comment if you like it. If you want part 2, me push him to the part 2. Comment. If you want part 3, part 4, it can happen. We can turn it in our series. But just comment, because we have Jawbone next to come. We have the whole mafia come. We are calling the whole troop. Donald Trump, pick up yourself. Me like what you do. Only 2 gender. Female and male. Me like that. Bye. Bye-bye.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you. Remembering the holiday party we had with the crew. Romeo was roaming the garden. Saturday was spent in a parking lot. to the man. Promising the prominent angle. Find the square feet of the triangular man who always had the land. You. What's new? You and me.